Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from MySQL to PostgreSQL, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by preparing your environment. Ensure you have both MySQL and PostgreSQL installed on your system. Next, confirm that you have the required database access credentials for both MySQL and PostgreSQL. Begin by exporting your MySQL database to a SQL file. Use the command line to navigate to your MySQL installation directory. Run the command with the appropriate options to export your database. For example, use the command MySQL username p database_name output_file .sql. Enter your MySQL password when prompted. Once the database is successfully exported, locate the SQL file. Open the SQL file in a text editor. Identify any MySQL specific features that may not be compatible with PostgreSQL. These features could include data types, functions, or specific SQL syntax. Next, you'll need to modify the SQL file to make it PostgreSQL compatible. Change MySQL data types to their PostgreSQL equivalents. For instance, convert int to integer and tiniant to smallint. Remove any MySQL specific commands such as auto_increment. If you have timestamp columns, adjust their default behavior as needed. Now, connect to your PostgreSQL database. You can use tools like pgadmin or the command line. Create a new database in PostgreSQL where the data will be imported. Use the command create database, new_database_name, to do this. Once the database is created, ensure you have the correct permissions. Next, open the modified SQL file in your text editor again. Make any final adjustments based on your PostgreSQL database schema. Save the edited file. Now, it's time to import the data into PostgreSQL. Use the command line to execute the import process. Run the command psqlu username d new_database_name f modified_output_file .sql. Enter your PostgreSQL password when prompted. Monitor the progress of the import for any errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.